Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If you are currently resetting or installing Windows on your Dell laptop or desktop and you're stuck in the endless loop with an error message that reads, the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered unexpected error, Windows installation cannot proceed, don't worry, keep watching because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to bypass the error and fix it. Let's start by bringing up our command prompt window. To do this, press the Shift key and the F10 key on your keyboard together. And on some Dell models, you might need to hold down the Shift key, the Fn key, and press the F10. Once the command prompt window is open, type regedit and hit enter. This is going to open the Windows Registry editor. Now we just need to change one simple value to clear the error loop. In the left sidebar of the Registry editor, let's navigate through the folders. First, expand the H key local machine, then look for System, followed by Setup, then Status, and finally click on the folder named ChildCompletion. With the ChildCompletion selected, move over to the right side of the window and look for setup.exe. Double-click on it and change the value from 1 to 3 and click on OK. Once that's done, you can close out of the registry editor and the command prompt window. Now go ahead and click OK on the original error message dialog box. Your computer will perform one final restart and your Windows installation will resume completely normally without any issues. Let me know in the comments if the solution has worked for you, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye for now.